everyone, back with a new recipe, and this one was super duper easy to make. It's 2 servings and I'm calling it chicken and bacon buttery spaghetti squash. Here's what you will need: boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm using fajita chicken breast there, pre-cooked. It was a lot easier. And then bacon. And in the frozen section, you'll see what's called spaghetti squash. You'll need a bag of that, real butter, pink salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, and cayenne pepper if you like it hot, and then a spatula and a fry pan. Let's start by cooking up our bacon. You'll need 6 slices on a heat a little higher than medium. While that's cooking, let's heat up our spaghetti squash in the microwave. Mine took 6 minutes. And then, of course, your bacon, when it's done, go ahead and lay it out on a plate with a paper towel to drain it, and then take that bacon grease and use that. Cook up your chicken breast in it. Now, either your raw chicken breast or the cooked that I'm using there. Add over it heavily pink salt, light pepper, onion and garlic powder, and cayenne if you like it hot, like I said. Once it's all cooked up, you want to just, or heated on this case, break it all up, and then you want to squeeze and drain out all the water out of your spaghetti squash like I'm doing there. Give it a good squeeze, but use something around it because it's hot. Then add it over your chicken breast. Add 4 tablespoons of real butter, break up your bacon and put that on top, and then give it a good stir and let it sit on simmer just for a little bit to bring all the flavors together, and then go ahead and plate up. I'm calling this 2 servings, and it was 14 net carbs for the entire dish, so that plate right there is only 7 net carbs. And wow, this was delicious. Very creamy and buttery flavor with that bacon and chicken together and that squash. It was really, really good. Definitely give it a try. And always keep it keto.